Hey, any of you looking for a good corner clamp set? One that's spring-loaded and self-adjusting? I've got one that WorkPro sent over to me, and I reviewed it. Why don't you check out the review? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll leave you the link where you can find it on Amazon. Hey, I just received the WorkPro 4 corner pack clamp set, and I have to say I'm very impressed so far. Let's review this. I'm going to show you what this thing can do. You're going to blow your mind. Now, what's beautiful about these clamps, one of them, they have a very strong spring. And to adjust it, you just basically pull on here, and you can pull right here, and you're going to adjust it and pull back on it, and that's going to open it and set it. Now, the clamp itself, this portion here is adjustable. In other words, it moves back and forth. So whatever stock you have in there, whether it be one be a little bit thinner or one be a lot larger, it'll adjust to the size and fit perfectly. Now, in this example here, I'm showing you how many times have you tried to make a drawer or something and you want to glue a piece of wood to another piece of wood and you need that perfect 90-degree angle. Well, here's an example. You put two clamps like I've done here, put the glue in, and now it's going to hold it at a perfect 90-degree angle, and you can glue it exactly where you want it. Let me show you another use for this. So what I said, this is a very versatile product. Not only does it have a strong spring that holds in clamps well, and it has the adjustable point that points in there, you can use your hand to easily open and close each one. Like I showed you right here, you're able to create stock at a 90-degree angle and glue it, or put it together like this, glue it, and then put a tack nail in here if you're building a frame like this. This is just a fantastic product. Bottom line, I recommend this product. I have to say that the ability to easily adjust it using my fingers, and it's self-adjusting, self-loading, the ability to use different types of stock, anywhere from 3/16 to 3/4 of an inch, and makes this WorkPro 4-pack corner clamp set a go. Grandpa recommends it. Don't check it out.